You bring restoration, Lord, to my weary heart. With every gentle whisper, you're healing every part. You mend what's been broken, you make my spirit whole. In your arms of mercy, you restore my soul. When the burdens of this life weigh heavy on my mind, you lift me up with grace